Let's just open this up quickly. Okay, so here we go. Voila, the JBL Xtreme 3. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. So today I have with me the JBL Xtreme 3 portable speaker. This is going to be a successor to the Xtreme 2, which I've reviewed on this channel and done so many videos about. So today I will be testing the Xtreme 3 and giving you my initial first sound impressions about this speaker. But before I do that, I just want to announce the winner of the earphone U-Boom portable speaker. The winner is Sharif Balajo. I hope I'm pronouncing your name right. I will be contacting you shortly and shipping this out to you wherever you are in the world. I'm so sorry it took me a while to announce the winner of this giveaway. Taking a look at the overall design, as you can see, there are some few changes. The first thing you notice is that you now have this huge logo at the front, which is a little bit too much. It's like, here I am, JBL, very big. Anyway, it's black in color, not orange. That would have made it a lot worse. The button layouts are quite similar, no much changes. And then you now have this vertical battery indicator, which is here. I just wish it was placed at the top. And then by the side, you have this rubber grip now. It looks a little bit weird, but well, it's what it is. So as you can see, the passive radiators are now black in color. Okay, let's see what we have at the back here. Okay, so you have your standard USB port for charging devices. And thank goodness, the Xtreme 3 now has USB-C. Yes, which is really good. So you can charge these up via USB-C. And then you have your 3.5mm auxiliary port for wired listening. And then underneath, you've still got the rubber grip here to keep it firm and sturdy on the table. Underneath is curved, so if you stand it vertically, it kind of bends, leans towards one side, looks a little bit weird. And I'm also noticing that it's quite lighter than the Xtreme 2. It seems as if it's lighter. It's a lot easier now to pick up with one hand when compared to the Xtreme 2. Alright, so now it's time for the sound test. So please put on your headphones, as this is going to be a binaural recording. So let's test the Xtreme 3 and see how it performs, and then I'll be giving my initial impressions about it.
Take my hand and we'll go away to a different place. Float on air and we'll hide away. I'll be your escape. I look up and feel the shifting winds tossing us around again. Hold tight, get ready to begin and just levitate. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
From the initial sound impressions, I'm liking the sound signature so far. It's like the vocals are pushed forward because the Xtreme 2 sounded kind of muffled when you're listening at low levels, but this is much clearer. It's like the vocals are pushed forward, and I also noticed that the treble is a little bit pushed forward as well. So this sounds a little bit, teeny when you're listening at max volumes. Bass reproduction seems a little bit cleaner and less muddy. My full review is coming very soon, and I will also be comparing it with the likes of the JBL Xtreme 2 and the Onyx Studio 6 and Citation 200. So make sure you all subscribe for that. As always, I'll be throwing links down in the description section for you all to purchase the Xtreme 3 if you want. Feel free to check out other videos on this channel, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to click the red subscribe button and the notification bell icon so you will always be notified each time I post a new video on this channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you all in the next video. Adios.